I'm Algenon Cash. I'm the director of the Triad Food and Beverage Coalition and also the leader of eatdrinktriad here in the Triad area.
My name is Marlowe Ivey. I'm a pig farmer in Wayne County, North Carolina, and I'm also executive director of Feed the Dialogue NC Foundation. All right, Algenon, tell us a little bit about Eat Drink Triad. I'm a pork producer in Wayne County, North Carolina, so give me a little bit background of the importance of your foundation within the Triad.
Sure. We created Eat Drink Triad as a result of the COVID impact, which obviously had a huge impact on all our locally owned restaurants, bars, breweries, you name it. And so we felt like it was critically important that we got organized and so that we could advocate on behalf of our industry and that we could also educate the general public and our local elected officials and community leaders about the impact that COVID had on our industry. And so that was the original reason that we all came together. Now we've really shifted a little bit away from advocacy to doing more marketing and outreach for the food and beverage community. So telling stories about our restaurants, really encouraging residents to get in and support these small businesses, helping them to understand the people and the faces that are behind these businesses. That's really what we're focused on now with Eat Drink Triad.
I mean, how important do you see pork as a not only a dish on the menus here at your local restaurants, but the barbecue community here in Winston-Salem as a whole?
Well, I'll tell you, if you want me to eat at your restaurant, you better have some pork on the menu.
Amen.
So it's absolutely critical for me. But beyond just the attraction of the menu item, I think the barbecue community, whether it's in Lexington, which is very popular and well known for barbecue, but even right here in Winston-Salem, we've got some very well known barbecue restaurants, and these are some of the first restaurants that were ever created in our community. These barbecue restaurants laid the groundwork and started the fabric of what our restaurant community is about.
Can you tell us a little bit specifically about this restaurant we're at and some of its heritage and history? We're at Camel City BBQ. Just a little bit of their history to the community here in the Triad.
So owned by Steve Dumas, who the Dumas family, which is a Greek family here in town, have made incredible contributions to our food and beverage scene. Not just here with Camel City BBQ, but they've also been involved with Mr. Barbecue, the Lighthouse restaurant here in downtown Winston-Salem, where so many people go or used to go to meet over a breakfast plate, came because of the Dumas family. And not just the Dumas family, but the Giannopoulos family, the number of Greek families that we have in here in our city that have just made amazing contributions to the restaurant scene. And again, a lot of that was done through barbecue.
Well, I guess I kind of have to ask the age-old question. If you were to walk into a barbecue restaurant and you could order one thing off the menu, pork-related, what would it be?
That's an unfair question because I'm someone that normally I'll get the chopped barbecue, but I got to have some ribs to go along with it, and
Perfect.
Maybe even some wings if you got some smoked wings in there too. But no, I'm classic. I've got to have the barbecue. If I only got one go-to item, it's got to be the chopped barbecue sandwich. And that's how I measure if you really know barbecue. If you can get me with the chopped barbecue sandwich, then you know what you're doing.
I was vibing with you. I was
Thank you for having me. Yes, thank you.